Absolutely, mind-blowing. You won't believe how easy and out of this world this is. Let's dig in. 3 steps: request access, sign up, and accept terms. Now the fun begins. Take a glimpse into the future. Wow, how fantastic is this? Now it's our turn. First, click on Create Project and upload your video. Drag it over to this area. Then click on Click Scan Frame for Actors and hit the Next button. Now choose your character and click Next for the magic to begin. Almost done. Now you just have to choose from the options shown and have a plan that allows to render this amazing project of having the robot dance like this girl, which I obviously don't. Its pricing is affordable, so I suggest having a look at it. You'll create mind-blowing projects, I'm sure. See you on my next video, bringing you the best tools always. Don't forget to like and subscribe.